Hey, what's going on, everybody? So you guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also known as a Forex GOAT. I want to welcome you guys to the So Darn Easy Forex movement, where I help people just like yourself from all across the world to change your perspective on how you look at the Forex market, and also a way for you to trade the Forex market profitably, finally. Alright, now listen, as I always tell you guys, thankful to have you guys here watching another video that I'm putting out. You guys could be anywhere in the world, but you're here, so I want to thank you. As always, if you guys are not yet connected with us on social media, of course that's Facebook, that's Instagram, you guys need to get connected. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel where there are 27,000 subscribers, actually we're almost pushing 28,000. The number is constantly going up. You guys get connected. Get subscribed. Remember, we're also on Vimeo, so head over there and get connected as well. Now listen, this video right here is going to make, I know you guys read the topic of the video, and I know it made you guys scratch your head for a second, but it's going to make you scratch your head, I'm sure. But by the end of the video, you guys are going to comprehend what it is that I'm bringing to you. Alright? So this video today is going to be about, why is it that I hope each and every one of you lose in the Forex market. Alright? All of my students, they come through my training. I hope they lose. I know some of you are like, man, this guy, something's wrong with him. No, there's nothing wrong with me. I know exactly what's going on. Now, let me just share something with you guys. When I first got into Forex, I know you guys heard this story plenty of times. When I first started training, I funded my account with a little over $500. I flipped my account nearly 4 times. I quadrupled my account. And I lost everything that I profited in the first 30, 45 minutes training. I lost it all in another 30 minutes. And then by the next morning, I was wiped out completely. That was a bad feeling. But it was a good experience, because mentally it let me know that with an ounce of comprehension, I could do this in the market. Imagine what a good training would do for you. Imagine what this much of information would do for you. If that amount allowed you to actually quadruple your account, how much profit would this amount of knowledge give you? Amazing, right? Now, that's pretty much what this video is about. I want you guys to realize that with every situation you go through in life, also trading Forex, there are 2 sides to everything, alright? It's always going to be that way. You have to accept the good with the bad, alright? And everything in life. You have to know that, if you lose trading Forex, there's another side. There's another side of losing, of trading. If you lose one day, hey, you can win. But the key to trading Forex is you have to learn from your mistakes. So therefore, yes, I want everyone to lose in the Forex market. But I don't want you to give up. Because when you give up, you accepted that loss and you owned it. So imagine if I gave you, if I had 2 cards. On one side it says you're a winner, on the other side it says you're a loser. If I handed you a card and it said you were a loser, and you didn't have the sense to turn it over and see that you were actually a winner, you have a chance of being a winner as well, and you just walk away accepting the loss, well, that's what you did. You walked away, you accepted the loss. But the person who had enough sense to say, I'm not accepting this. Let me stand around and wait for this guy to finish talking, because, we need to get to the bottom of this. And then you happen to realize, oh, you know what? So you mean to tell me I could be a winner as well? Of course you could. So I want you guys to know, the journey that I've traveled down of losing in the market, I learned from that. Alright? I was talking to a student the other day, and I was telling them how, one of the best things you can do. Well, actually, I was talking to an aspiring student, and I was telling them how one of the best things you can do is go through your charts and look at the mistakes that you've made, and analyze your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Because you see, I'm no fortune teller. You know, I can tell you, you know, this market based on historical data, it should be going up. All right, and that's pretty much what we have to rely on, historical data. So if you know that the market should be going up and you're trading, well, you know what, you can kind of find your way because, you know, you have historical data helping you. But you know, I just want to let you guys know, you know, trading Forex, you cannot just you know, don't just accept loss as, well, a loss as the end of it. You know, do not allow that to just you know, get you to a point where you just say, you know what, screw it, I'm going to give up, I'm going to accept this L, and I'm just going to walk away, and I'm not going to trade Forex anymore. I'm going to chant, and I'm going to scream and shout and say that Forex is a scam. And that's so far from the truth. See, people who do not comprehend how to trade, they're quick to take that stance because that's their way of justifying their loss. Oh, these market guys, they took my money. You know, and that's so far from the truth because there are a lot of people making money out here. I'm talking about people really making money out here in the Forex markets. All right, so I just want you guys to know that, yes, I want you to lose. I want my students to lose in the Forex market. But I also want them to learn from their mistakes because that's how I got here. All right, I took L's, but I analyzed my losses, and that's key. All right, and everything, you guys know, if you guys are familiar with the law of polarity, you know there has to be a balance. You know, if there's you know, something negative, then you can find good in it too. So you have to accept, if you're going to accept one, you got to accept the other. So just know that there's two sides to every coin. And, you know, if you flip it over and you have, you know, heads, well, there's the tails on the other side. So that's, just want to let you guys realize that there's, you know, it doesn't just end with you being, you know, taking a loss in the market. You know, there's a way for you to get through that situation. So you just have to stick with it. Do not give up. Study your charts. Study your setups, your previous setups that you may have, you know, lost on. You know, you have to study these things because that's how it makes you a better trader. All right. So no, I don't really want you to be a loser. I want you to lose so you can appreciate the walk. Okay, that's the thing. Appreciating the walk, because you see, if I only knew, you know, taking losses, and I never had a taste of that victory early on, I would never see it coming. You know, that's just like if, you know, or let's flip it. If you only made wins and you never experienced a loss before, you would never know what it felt like. You would never see it coming because you never experienced it. So when it hits you, it's going to hurt. So now that you've had a taste of both sides of the fence, now you can see the market setting up, and you can see, okay, something don't look right. You know, it makes you wiser, makes you a sharper trader, rather than you know, having this euphoria, thinking that, oh, you know, everything is good. You know, the green, you know, it's all green over here. You know, it's not always that way. You guys have to know that, you know, you can win, you can lose. You know, I mean, think about it. We're all human. The sun goes down on all of us, just as the sun rises on all of us. So you have to accept both sides. You have to have that balance and know that it's just a part of life. It's a part of the laws, and that's just something that we have to remember when we're trading. Do not allow it to, you know, get you down to a point where you just say, screw it, I'm just going to walk away from it. Because guess what? If you walk away, the market is still going up and down. Just you're not in the market. Well, everyone else is in the market, and they're doing their thing. you turn away from it. So now you're out. So the idea is to make sure that you stay connected with trading Forex. Do not give up on it, and just know that you have to appreciate your losses, because it's going to help you become a better trader. All right. Remember, if you guys don't already know, get connected with us on social media. Of course, that's Facebook, that's Instagram. If you're not a part of the nearly 28,000 subscribers here on this YouTube channel, get subscribed, and also get connected with us on Vimeo. We're over there too. All right. Listen, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.